Hi guys, I'm Bernard. I'm the founder of Web3Nova. A couple of years ago, I stumbled upon the blockchain and I was so curious about how everything in blockchain works. As a software engineer, I developed interest in blockchain development, participated in my first hackathon and won. Ever since then, I've been bullish on the blockchain space. From then, I delved deep into the blockchain space, started building products. I faced a lot of challenges. I have a lot of basic necessities. For instance, I didn't have stable electricity, most times I didn't have data, but I was so eager and I was very interested in this tech. I believe was it's going to pay one day. And finally, it paid off. I was able to get my first workspace. I got my first workspace and that was like a very big thing to me at that moment. From there, I was able to get better at my skill and achieve a lot with those basic necessities I've been able to achieve from this space. After that, I noticed that there are other builders around me, around my community, around where I stay, that are also interested and very energetic to join this movement. But they also lack that basic necessities. They don't have stable electricity. They end up doing night classes in school, sleeping on bench, which made it very hard for them to scale. From there, I was able to get the vision to help strongly developers and builders around my community to come on chain, which gave birth to Web3Nova. November 2024, I got an apartment with tables and chairs. We started our pilot class. In the pilot class, we encountered some challenges. We were using board, we have a TV, and everywhere was so tight. From there, we noticed we had a problem. And in our first cohort, which was in January 2025, we were able to fix some of these problems, got a little bit of stable electricity, and had a TV to convey whatever we will be teaching. The course lasted for about 6 months, from January to June, which we held for free. Due to the results of our first cohort, we had high demand of builders willing to join the community. We decided to expand to a bigger place for our second cohort, which we were able to take 3 classes at once. The result of our first cohort did exceptionally well. We built about 3 products, and some of our students got jobs and work with protocols.
From any project before, I have not built any single project, but joining Web3Nova, I now have projects that I can say I built this. I have made amounts of money from this space, and I built real working projects.
Web3Nova transitioned me from being a learner, ordinary learner, to someone who is implementing and practicing what I learned, and also learning to contribute and share my knowledge to others.
Web3Nova has opened my eyes to many global opportunities in the tech space. Web3Nova gave me the guidance, necessary guidance to show up for these opportunities and to work for them rightly and to secure them.
I didn't have a place to actually work or actually meet people that actually doing this technical stuff, and that was actually 2024. So it actually drew me back in most of the things that actually wanted to do then. But fast forward to 2025, I had the opportunity to be part of the Web3Nova community, and I've experienced massive growth since then. It's quite a lot that can happen in a single year, looking at where I'm coming from and where I have been able to, what I've been able to achieve so far. So it's all thanks to
Web3Nova taught me to be a smart contract developer, and has also helped me to make money from this skill.
Due to the success of the first cohort, we had high demand of builders interested in joining the second cohort, which led us to getting a new bigger space, which we are able to take 3 classes at once. We also provided stable electricity and free data for students coming in. Moving forward, our focus is expanding our impact, collaborating and building with protocols, building startups, and expanding and training more developers across the ecosystem. We are open to collaborating with blockchains, protocols, communities, and organizations around the blockchain space.